If you have a house in West Jefferson, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team has been buying houses in West Jefferson, Ohio, all around West Jeff, and the reason people like working with us is we're able to buy the house in its as-is condition. So that means there's no fixing up by you, you don't gotta clean anything, you don't gotta haul anything away. We truly will buy the house in any condition. And whatever's going on that makes you want to sell the house, maybe you just want convenience, maybe you just want to sell the house, not have to pay any commissions or middleman fees, totally understand. We're going to be a good buyer for you because we're a direct buyer and we are going to pay cash for the property. Now that's key, and that's very important for you to know the difference between us being a cash buyer and then more of a traditional buyer that needs financing or needs a loan in order to buy your house. Because when you're working with a buyer that needs a loan, you have to jump through all the hoops that come along with that type of buyer. And mostly what I'm referring to is these intrusive inspections where they're going to test every single outlet and ceiling fan, and they're going to just walk every nook and cranny of the house, in the basement, in the attic, and they're going to open and close the doors and the windows. What they're going to do is compile a massive list of repairs that are needed against the house. Even if the house is in pristine condition, they're still going to find stuff that could only be used against you as the seller of this property. And then if with this traditional buyer you survive the inspection, it's still got to get appraised too. And so many deals get killed and go dead and go cold because of an appraisal, because you're dealing with a bank. With us, there is no bank. We're a true cash buyer, so there's no approvals needed. We're able to buy the house and it's as is condition. We don't care what condition it's in. We don't care what the situation is. It could be a divorce. It could be a rented out property. There's people living there. You don't have to deal with anything. We truly will take this property off of your hands for a fair price, and we will close on the date of your choice. That's what we've been doing for over 14 years. We love West Jefferson, and we have hundreds of reviews and testimonials as well. And you have nothing to lose by at least calling us and just seeing what we can do. So our number here, if you have a house in West Jefferson, you want to get this thing sold, contact us today before you contact anyone else. We're the only ones you need to work with. And our number here is 614-300-5151, or you can visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And when we get on the phone, just so you know, it is a very easy conversation. There is no sales tactics or gimmicks or games. We're not a call center. We're not located in some foreign distant land here. We're here. We're in Central Ohio. We're ready to help you out and treat you right like a neighbor, and we're not going to have any gimmicks or games for you. We're not going to waste your time. No one has time to waste. I think you can agree. The older we get, the less time we have. And especially the less time we got to waste. Nobody has time to waste. So even if we can't do anything for you, we will tell you that up front. People appreciate that in this day and age. Bring back authentic conversations. That's what we're here to do, everybody. So if you got a house in West Jefferson, let's get this thing done together. I look forward to working with you. My name is Dave Perichin. Once again, our number again, 614-300-5151, or visit us online, sellhousecolumbus.com. Fill out a little form. We'll set up a time to talk. Keep it very simple. My name is Dave Perichin, and I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.